What in the hell? I don't know why they're plowing my yard. Hillbillies and snowplows don't make a good combination.
A lot of people heeding the warning, staying indoors, and that's absolutely what they should be doing.
Thunder snow? It's pretty much between 14 to 24 inches by the time all is said and done.
Now the wind has just been incredible. I mean, we're at near hurricane strength winds.
We've been saying a million times this morning, do not venture out unless you absolutely...
Just completely shut down.
Whiteout conditions, reduced visibility, potentially dangerous situations.
If you absolutely have to venture out in these conditions, but it sounds like a lot of people heeding the warning.
Holy shit! If it was that hard, I would never even try it in the first place.